Discover the embodiment of modern bathroom elegance with the RAK Summit back-to-wall toilet. This exquisite fixture, finished in a lustrous gloss white, is a testament to contemporary design that will surely make a statement in your restroom. Appreciate the versatility of this toilet, as it can be seamlessly installed against a wall or within a WC unit, offering you the flexibility to create your ideal bathroom layout. The flush-to-wall back is a brilliant feature, leaving no space for dirt or germs to accumulate, a thoughtful touch that we're sure you'll value. The quick-release soft-close seat options add a touch of luxury to your daily routine while making cleaning a breeze. The gentle closing mechanism is a small but significant detail that speaks volumes about the quality of this product. Embrace the perfect blend of style and functionality with the RAK Summit back-to-wall toilet. It's more than just a bathroom fixture. It's an investment in comfort, cleanliness, and contemporary design. Why not boost your restroom experience today? Discover this and the rest of the RAK Ceramics bathroom suites range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.